Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Your Excellency.
Good afternoon. As you know, I started my function as Special Representative of Secretary General for West African and the Sahel just recently. In this context, I am conducting a regional tour of the sub-region, and it is my pleasure to be in Nigeria, the largest country and the headquarters of ECOWAS. I am very grateful that the President has retained the support of Nigeria as well as the personal commitment and the more of UNOWAS, and I look forward in this collaboration for the benefit of the people of West Africa and the Sahel. Thank you very much.